This HP DL360 G9 high-end server delivers serious compute density, with dual Intel Xeon processors providing a total of 36 cores, making it well-suited for heavy virtualization and multi-tenant workloads. With an enormous 768 gigabytes of modern DDR4 memory, it comfortably handles large virtual machine clusters, in-memory databases, and demanding application stacks without constant paging. The configuration includes 4 large form-factor hard drives totaling 16 terabytes of storage, giving plenty of room for virtual machine images, backups, and shared datasets in a compact chassis. HP's Smart Array controller with flash-backed write cache adds a strong layer of data protection and accelerates disk input and output, which is especially valuable under sustained enterprise workloads. 4 integrated 1 gigabit network ports provide flexible connectivity for segregating management, storage, and production traffic without needing extra network cards for many environments. Despite its powerful internals, the one-rack unit design and redundant power supplies make this system efficient to rack, power, and maintain in space-constrained data centers.